Let x and y be positive constants. Which of the following is equivalent to 5 log x plus 6 log y? We have two log rules going on. First things first, if you have a number in front of a log, you're allowed to take that number and make it the exponent of the stuff inside the log. In other words, 5 log x is the same as log of x to the fifth. What's my base? I don't know, 10. I don't have one. Plus 6 log y is now log of y to the sixth. There's another rule that says if you have the same base, and again, we're going to pretend that these 10s are there, even though they are 10s, we're just going to pretend that we can see them. If you add logs of the same base, multiply the insides. So what this becomes is, since we're adding log base 10 of x to the fifth and log base 10 of y to the sixth, I get log base 10 of x to the fifth, log to the sixth. Again, that 10 is not necessary. I just keep writing it down because it helps me visualize things a little bit better. I get B in this case. Pretty easy.